We all know garlic has numerous benefits. It's very good for you. But do you know what black garlic is? Black garlic is a superfood. It offers numerous benefits for our health. But what makes it different from regular garlic? And what makes it good for you? Well, today, I'll tell you all about it. I'm covering the top 6 benefits of black garlic. So what actually is black garlic? It starts as regular raw garlic, the same white bulbs you buy at the grocery store. But then it goes through a special aging process. For several weeks, the garlic is kept between 140 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 60 to 87 degrees Celsius, with very high humidity. This triggers something called the Maillard reaction. It's the same chemical reaction that makes bread turn brown and gives seared meat its flavor. The garlic cloves slowly turn from white to brown to jet black. The texture becomes soft, sticky, and almost jelly-like. The sharp, spicy flavor of raw garlic transforms into something sweet, earthy, and a little bit like balsamic vinegar or molasses. Black garlic isn't actually fermented in the traditional sense because there's no added bacteria or yeast. A 2017 review in the journal Molecules explains that it's actually a process of controlled aging under heat and humidity. Let's kick things off with benefit number 6. It's gentle on your stomach. This one is simple, but huge for some people. Raw garlic is delicious, but let's be honest, it can cause serious heartburn, gas, and stomach upset for a lot of people. That's because of those sharp sulfur compounds. A 2021 review in the journal Molecules notes that some people are unwilling to eat fresh garlic because of gastrointestinal discomfort. But because the aging process breaks down those harsh compounds, black garlic is much easier on your digestive system. You get all the antioxidant benefits without the painful side effects. And that's a win in my book. Number 5, it's packed with antioxidants. Black garlic is an antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Free radicals cause that damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules. They contribute to aging, heart disease, and even cancer. Benefit number 4, it helps regulate blood sugar. If you're concerned about diabetes or metabolic health, black garlic might be helpful. A 2024-2025 meta-analysis of randomized clinical trials found that while results for fasting glucose can be varied, garlic supplementation showed significant improvements in HbA1c levels and insulin resistance in patients with type 2 diabetes. But I want to be honest with you. Human research on blood sugar specifically is still early. Most of the strong evidence comes from animal studies, so the results are promising, but more research is needed. Benefit number 3, it reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of almost every major disease. Arthritis, heart disease, Alzheimer's, even depression. Now, most of the research on inflammation and black garlic comes from lab and animal studies. In one study on mouse cells, black garlic extract lowered inflammatory markers. These are not human clinical trials. I want to be clear about that. But the mechanisms are really well understood, and the science is promising. So while we need more human studies, black garlic definitely has anti-inflammatory potential. There was a 2022 study that looked at 67 people with moderately high cholesterol. They took 250 milligrams of aged black garlic extract per day for 6 weeks, and the results showed a significant reduction in diastolic blood pressure. The bottom number, especially in men, a study on heart failure patients found that taking garlic supplements improved heart function over 6 months. That is a very high dose, so do not try that without a doctor's permission. And finally, my number one benefit is it's easy to use and actually tastes good. A lot of healthy foods are, let's be honest, boring or very hard to work into your routine, but not black garlic. It's naturally sweet, sticky, and rich, just like molasses and balsamic vinegar. And because it's so flavorful, a little will go a long way. For me, the most impressive benefit isn't just what it does for your body, it's that you'll actually enjoy eating it. And that's what makes a healthy habit stick. Here are my favorite ways to use it. First, you can eat it straight, right out of the clove. You can also spread it onto toast and a little olive oil and sea salt. You can even mash it into butter or cream cheese, and it will make a sweet, savory spread. You can blend it into your salad dressings, your marinades, or your hummus. You can chop it and add it to pasta, pizza, or stir fries. Or you can even use it as a topping for grilled meat or roasted vegetables. I want to give you a few safety warnings. Number 1. Black garlic has blood thinning properties. That means it makes it harder for your blood to clot. So if you take any type of blood thinners or high dose aspirin, talk to your doctor before eating large amounts of black garlic. And if you're having surgery, any type of surgery, stop eating black garlic at least 2 weeks before the surgery. Number 2. If you're on diabetes medication, black garlic can lower your blood sugar. So monitor yourself closely. Combining it with insulin could cause hypoglycemia. Number 3, do not try to make black garlic at home using a standard slow cooker or a rice cooker. This is a real safety risk. If the temperature isn't consistently high enough, you can grow Clostridium botulinum. That's the bacteria that causes botulism, which can be deadly. So there you have it, black garlic. Sweeter, gentler, more antioxidant rich, and easier on your stomach than regular garlic. Try it out, experiment with it, and let me know in the comments how you like to use black garlic. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested, check out our Patreon. We have more health, massage tips, yoga flows, fashion hauls, ASMR, and way more. Now, as always, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.